Frankie. Sorry, I'm trying to get a hold of the camera here. Okay. I'm Frankie. Watch me be on a box. Box. Wee! Doo-doo-doo-doo. Koopa. So I decided to get some pancakes because, I wanted some pancakes. But then I realized all the pancakes were gone, so I had to go out the door because the bus was waiting for about 10 minutes. But then she took my normal seat, so I started to fight her for it, but then my arm fell off and she screamed and I had to sit in the back of the bus, which I didn't really like because people kept being mean to me. And I don't like it when people are mean to me because that's why I usually sit at the front of the bus with nobody. But then I realized everything was going to get better because school was almost there after I started stopping. But then I forgot we had a math quiz, so I'm like, oh my god. So I had to rip a page out of my math notebook and I had to start studying really quick, but then I ended up taking it into math. The teacher thought I was cheating, so I had to get detention. But before that, they gave me like in-school suspension for the rest of the day, and I didn't know what that was, so I didn't know where to go, and then I got lost in the school, and somehow I ended up in a janitor's class. I had to take a nap on one of the garbage cans, but then when the janitor came in, he decided to throw some trash in there, and then I got mac and cheese on my hair, and then I had to go to the bathroom and wash it all off. But then I forgot all the pumps weren't working, so I decided I had to stick my hair in the toilet bowl. Then when I did that, my hair was all clean. But then I forgot someone flushed, so there's this big brown lump of chocolate in my hair, which I didn't know how got there. It must have fell out of someone's pants pockets. And it was really huge. So I just kept wandering around the school and wandering when the in-school suspension teacher said over the intercom, "A student lost. She has green skin, and she's very hyper, and she looks like a mental patient." And I'm like, oh my god, I feel so bad for this girl. So I started to help looking for her, and then I had the SWAT team had to come, but they eventually found her. And I guess they really appreciated me for my help, because they led me into a room for in-school detention with her. So, I guess I could help her out since I'm one of the most smartest kids in school, and since she's really stupid, at least that's what they said on the intercom, she never came. So, oh my god, I wanted to ask me how I got poop in my hair. Silly, it's chocolate. Then the SWAT team had to come. They took me into a mental institution, which I thought was great because mental means smart, right? Anyway, and then I met a new friend. His name was Barack Osama. I didn't know who the heck he was, but we started bonding and playing, and we started playing hopscotch. And then I woke up in the morning, which was weird. I must have traveled in some sort of time machine or something. Or was it all just a dream?